Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So this dessert which I'm going to be sharing with you is one of my favorites, and that is chocobar ice cream without using any fresh cream, without using any condensed milk. It gets ready really quickly. So watch the video till the end because I will give you tips on how to prepare this recipe if you don't have the ice cream mold or the kulfi mold. So on that note, let's get started with today's recipe.
So here I'm going to be heating up a pot. Now to this I'm going to be adding 2 cups of milk. We're going to bring the milk to a gentle boil. And once it comes to a gentle boil, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix everything in very well. Next I'm going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again, mix the vanilla well into the mixture. And here I have 1/4 cup of warm milk. It doesn't have to be piping hot, just warm milk. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix the two together really well. And add that to the mixture. Now we're just going to mix everything well for about half a minute till it starts to thicken. The consistency will change and it will become a little bit of a thicker mixture. So now you put the heat off, and now we're going to either you put the fan on or just keep it in a cool place. Don't refrigerate it, just keep it in normal room temperature and just keep stirring it till the mixture cools or comes to room temperature. This is very important. And now I'm just going to pour it into a jar because that will help me. It'll be easier for me to pour it into the kulfi maker or the ice cream maker. So just pour this into it about 3/4 of the height of the mold. This will give you exactly 6 choco bars. And now I'm just going to put some plastic wrap on it because when we put it in the freezer, we don't want any icicles to form on it. And then I'm just going to take a sharp knife and just make a hole in the center. Because we're going to put the ice cream sticks into those holes. So with a sharp knife, just make a hole, or scissors, you can even use scissors just to chop a small little bit. And then you're just going to put these ice cream sticks. Now ice cream sticks are available in general stores and they even have them on stationery stores. So just put those in. And now we have to put this in the refrigerator for at least 10 hours. This is very important for it to set completely. So don't be in a hurry. Put it in your freezer for 10 hours. Now after 10 hours, I'm just going to melt some dark chocolate. You can even use milk chocolate. So 200 grams of it, to which I added just 2 tablespoons of butter, and I put it into a glass. And now you can see that everything is set really well. And then we're just going to take this out from the kulfi maker like this, and we're just going to dip it into the ice cream and just hold it up like that, and immediately it sets. And then you're going to just place it on a plate and put them in the freezer again. So do one at a time, otherwise it starts to melt very easily. And that's it guys, your choco bar is ready. Do the same with all the rest of it and enjoy.
So wasn't that an easy recipe? And aren't you just waiting to try your hands on making the choco bar? Okay, now if you don't get your hands on these kulfi molds or these ice cream molds, I'll tell you what you can do. First of all, you get these kulfi molds in most shops, general stores, and you get them at different prices also. Like online, it is a little bit pricey. That's what I found. But just a small tip over here. I went to Sarkari Bandar. I don't know whether all the Sarkari Bandars in your area will have it, but I found it at a very reasonable price. I got it at just 99 rupees. So if you can get your hands on it, or it's well and good. Otherwise, you can try many other shops. Like if you're going to Bandra, you can try a shop like Cheap Jack. They might have it. Or if you go down Bazaar Road, you might get it over there. But online, let me tell you, it's a little bit pricey. I saw it at $3.99, whereas other places you can get it easy. I think even in Dadar, if you go to certain shops, you might get it at a much a lesser price. So this is for people living in Mumbai. If you all have any comments where you can help others as to where you live in your area and where you get these kulfi stands, at what price, you can leave it in the comments. That will really be helpful for other people who are looking for this ice cream kulfi stand or ice cream stand. Anyway, if you don't get your hands on this, it's very simple. Don't worry. What you need to do is just take these Oreo biscuit packets, okay, the smaller ones, the 10 rupees ones, cut it up very neatly, and then what you do is use a glass which is almost the same size as that particular biscuit wrapper. Keep that wrapper standing very straight. Pour your whatever liquid we prepared into that, then insert your ice cream stick, and then do cover the whole thing with foil like I did with mine, because you need to put foil or cellophane wrap or anything on it, because otherwise when you put it into the freezer, the ice crystals will form a layer and it won't really taste very good. You'll have a lot of this icy water kind of taste in the ice cream. So this is one tip if you can't get your hands on the ice cream maker, but do try to get your hands, because that will make work much easier. So I hope you like today's recipe, and do give it a try, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And once you have subscribed, click on the notification bell, click all. That way whenever I put up a recipe or a video, you'll get a message for the same. Go and explore my channel. I have more than 800 recipes. And if you go to my homepage, Akshita's recipe, you will see playlist. Click on that, you'll get all the different recipes grouped up into different sections. You can go and click on that. So thank you so much for being here. Take care of yourselves, and I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care. See you.